If you have ever been in a situation when you took a photo and you later realized that you needed to reframe the subject of the image or change the perspective of the image on iPhone, then this is the video you need to watch, because in today's video you are going to learn how to change the perspective of image on iPhone. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from TechRepro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to change the perspective of an image on iPhone. So in order to reframe a subject of image on iPhone or change the perspective of image, you have to first of all ensure that you have got iOS 27 on your iPhone. For that, simply go to Settings and then scroll to General. Then tap on Software Update, and here you need to simply slide down to refresh, and then you need to download and install iOS 27. Depending upon whether iOS 27 developer beta is available or public beta one, you may download and install on your iPhone. And as you know, iOS 27 developer beta has been released recently by Apple, and you can download and install that to get the new tools that will allow you to change the perspective of image on iPhone or reframe a subject on iPhone. And once you have done that, we are ready to proceed to learn how you can reframe a subject of image on iPhone. So to change the perspective of image on iPhone or reframe the subject on iPhone photos, you have to first of all open the Photos app and open the photo for which you want to change the perspective. After that, tap here and this will expose the various tools here. Simply tap on this edit icon, and after that this will load various tools. Currently you can see these are the tools available, but you will also notice that Apple has added a tools option here in iOS 27. So you have to just tap on that, and that will expose further tools available. You can see there is cleanup, extend and reframe. And in order to reframe the subject of image or change the perspective, we will use this tool, that is reframe. So tap on reframe, and after that Apple Intelligence will analyze your photo and you will see something like this. Here you need to simply drag using single finger, or you may also use two fingers to pan and move it like this. And to reframe the subject of the image, you can use one finger and drag it like this. And once that is done, simply tap on reframe and this will start reframing your photo. You can see the progress here, and once that is done, you will get the success message. So as you can see, this has reframed the subject of the image, and you may tap on it to see the original, and this is the reframed one. And if you are okay with it, you may simply tap done and this will be saved. And in case you didn't like that, you may simply tap on this back arrow and it will go back to original one. Or you may also simply tap cancel and that will restore the original one. And then you may retry using the tools to reframe it again. Tap edit, and after that tap on tools and then reframe, and once it prepares, you may drag it like this to change the perspective and tap on reframe. And once progress bar is complete, the reframing of photo is done, and we may simply tap on done checkmark to save the edited photo. Tap done and this will be saved. And just in case if you want to revert to original again, then tap on edit and then you will get the option to revert to original one. Tap on revert and then confirm to revert to original, and you can see it has reverted to original one. So this way you may use the newly released reframe tool inside the Photos app of iOS 27 on your iPhone to reframe the subject of any photo or change the perspective of image on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to extend any photo on your iPhone, make sure you tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.